excellence in broadcasting and production in Wales, it's time to celebrate women's success at Bafta Cymru. With a whole host of stars backstage at the awards, we caught up with some of this year's attendees.
The first Welsh Bafta?
Yeah.
How does it feel?
I feel absolutely blown away, a little bit jittery, absolutely buzzing.
Claire, first of all, congratulations. I bet you're so chuffed.
Delighted, really thrilled. Yeah, I've been working in Wales as a makeup designer for about 30 years, and it means a lot to me.
You're here because of On Bear Ridge, I understand, with Reece Evans.
So we did 2 weeks at the Sherman Theatre. We rehearsed there as well in the co-production with National Theatre of Wales and the Royal Court. We open at the Royal Court on the 24th of October until the 23rd of November, which I'm really excited to take it to London because Ed Thomas has written a beautiful play, beautifully directed by Vicky Featherstone.
The whole nation are so excited for the Gavin and Stacey Christmas special.
It was very difficult keeping the story quiet. It was terrifying. I mean, James had that photograph ready to go in case it was leaked to the press so that he could put it on Twitter straight away. And we had to wait till all the cast was signed up, and there were a lot of things that had to be done before we could tell the world.
What advice would you give to me looking to further my career within the industry?
Always be yourself. Don't fake it, because that's your star power. That's your unique star power.
The self-belief is really, really important. There's no point wasting time giving yourself a hard time saying you're no good. You do have to have a level of confidence to kind of keep at it, I suppose. And I've been guilty of not being confident in the past, and it's just a waste of time. So forget all that nonsense. Get on with it. If you enjoy it, then go for it.